Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make classic burger easy guide. Start by forming 1 pound of ground beef into 4 equal patties, season lightly with salt and pepper, and press a small dimple in each. Heat a skillet until very hot, then cook patties about 3 minutes per side for medium, flipping once. Toast buns briefly and assemble with cheese, lettuce, tomato, and your favorite sauce. For consistent results, preheat your skillet or grill until it smokes slightly, then add patties one at a time to avoid crowding. Sear without pressing down so juices remain inside, and flip only once to develop a good crust. Cook about 3 minutes per side for medium, adjust timing for thicker patties, and rest cooked patties for a few minutes so juices redistribute before assembling the burger. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. I love this dollar banknote book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. It felt oddly motivating while flipping patties. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can explore it if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Assemble your burger with intention. Toast the buns lightly to add texture and protect from soggy sauces. Spread sauce on both bun halves, place lettuce down first to shield the bottom bun, then add the hot patty and tomato slice. Top with room temperature cheese so it melts evenly. Finish with pickles or onions if desired, press gently, and serve immediately for the best texture and flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.